Okay, go for it.
The reason why we're here, we've had a call, people are getting concerned about your Facebook posts.
Okay.
All right? That it might be inciting violence and to incite people to go out into public to form unauthorised gatherings. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because of the virus that's
Okay.
going around. You put in public health at risk. All right? So, just to let you know, we're going to be speaking to admin on Porthcawl first. All right? So that those posts are going to be taken down if they haven't already been taken down. All right? The other thing is to remind you that you're only to go out for essential journeys only.
Okay.
All right? So going out to the 5G Mass by the start of the dual carriageway.
Yeah.
Yeah? If you're there just filming, it's not an essential journey. Okay? This is the only warning you'll get. If it continues,
Yes.
yeah,
What's going to happen?
then obviously we'd be looking at further steps.
Which would be what?
Remind you now that we have the power to give fixed penalties and to summons
Okay.
you to court
Oh
if
my
you're not
God.
complying with our
Oh my
instruction.
God. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So
That's
just here
not
to give you a
very.
bit of friendly advice. Really.
That's it's very nice of you.
Yeah.
But while you're here, and after what you just said, I'd like to say that I'm not up around spreading any virus. I am actually spreading the truth.
Okay.
That tower that is being installed is illegal and uninsured. I've phoned the police. I have sent freedom of information requests to the council, being denied 3 months ago, and then the base went in, right?
Right.
So I've been filming and documenting this, right? That 5G tower, as a police officer. Have you read these messages
What message?
on Facebook?
I haven't seen the message.
No, you
myself.
need to go and read them. And the letter that I've put on there is
Yeah.
a request to the town to follow the law and the guidelines of the law, okay, which you should be doing, right? A
Yeah.
concern has been raised in this, a concern that that mast is emitting far more powerful radiation than the other one, right? And I am well aware that the other one has a limit around it, okay? Now, if that one is, and it is, he said yesterday 100 times more powerful than the other one, right? And they're claiming it's an aerial antenna, which is an aerial frequency part of the spectrum. It's not. It's all parts. X-ray, gamma, ultraviolet, infrared, microwave, radio wave and light. It's all the full spectrum. Trust me, this is what I've been doing, okay?
Okay. Well,
And people are going to know, right? Because they're going to phone you. They're going to start phoning you today because they want to know what the damage is going to be. And
well, that's
why are they rolling? Also, that tower is an immune system suppressant. Why are they going to put that in and switch that on when everyone's immune system needs all the help it can get?
well, at the end of the day, that's not really a police matter because we deal
What?
with
People's health?
because we deal with criminal law.
Yeah.
All right.
I haven't broken any
Not
laws.
civil law.
All I've done is posted the truth.
Yeah. And
Real-time
yeah,
truth.
And you're out filming, which
Yeah.
isn't an essential journey, is it?
What?
During the
What?
quarantine.
Documenting the fitting of an immune system suppressant
Well,
and a 100 times more
In my
powerful
view, and others,
radio microwave emitter.
in my view, all right.
Yeah.
That's not an essential journey. all
Yeah.
right? So I'm here to give you some friendly advice. and that's
Okay.
it.
Well, I'm
We're
gonna
here to
friendly
talk about
I'm gonna
5G.
friendly decline your friendly advice and go out whenever I feel necessary to bring this information. Bye bye. Bye bye. Get your fine books out. Because I said, get your fine books out, your contracts, because you're gonna need them, because I ain't gonna be the only one. See you. See you.